Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be talking about the mandelic acid, what are the uses of mandelic acid, what are the benefits of it, how to use it, and who all can use it and get the best benefit out of it. So talking a little bit about mandelic acid, here with me I have the ordinary mandelic acid 10% plus hyaluronic acid. So I wanted to do this video for the people who don't understand how does alpha hydroxy acid works. So mandelic acid is a type of alpha hydroxy acid, but it has a bigger molecular weight, so it penetrates slower into the skin as compared to the glycolic acid, which has a smaller molecular weight and penetrates faster. Because of its slow penetration and the systematic rhythmic penetration, the mandelic acid can be used by the sensitive skin type. If you ask from where does the mandelic acid is derived, it is derived by bitter almonds. Mandelic acid is excellent for the sensitive skin type people or for the people who have skin of color, as the darker skin type people can react easily for the glycolic acid or lactic acid. Usually the glycolic acid is much more faster in showing the results, but when it comes to mandelic acid, you need to be patient and you need to wait till it shows the results. And yes, it is excellent for even curing the keratosis pilaris. It is a skin type condition which is the dead skin cell accumulation forming into bumps on the skin, making it look like strawberry legs. So this helps it. It removes the dead skin layer. It's an excellent exfoliator, and it's promising as well because it has shown to improve the pigmentation mark and also improve the overall glow on the face when you are applying it, especially if you're skin of color, especially you belong to deeper skin tone, then mandelic acid is the right choice for you. Whereas glycolic acid, you should not use it if you are skin of color because it can lead to more pigmentation because it triggers the melanocyte present on our skin. Now to the part what are the benefits of mandelic acid. As I mentioned earlier, that the first thing is that it's a very good exfoliator. So when I say exfoliator, it helps to remove the dead skin layer buildup on our stratum corneum. It's the top layer, it's the dead skin cell buildup, and whenever you see that your skin seems dull, you can use mandelic acid and it will remove that excess buildup of the dead skin layer, leaving your skin squeaky clean. So when it removes the dead skin layer, it also promotes the skin turnover. Now, skin turnover is bringing the new skin cells to the top layer, and that leaves a nice glow on your face. The next benefit is that it can be used for acne treatment. In acne treatment, it has been observed that the mandelic acid has antibacterial as well as anti-inflammatory properties. Antibacterial properties kills the acne-forming bacteria, and anti-inflammatory property helps with the redness and the inflammation that is causing in the acne area. So it is kind of like a really good choice if you have sensitive skin and acne skin combination. So mandelic acid can be used as a solo ingredient every day, or else as per the product claims, you can use it 2 times in a week or 3 times in a week and get the best benefit. The next benefit is that it helps with the reduction of the hyperpigmentation mark. So if you are deeper skin tone people, or especially let's say skin of color, and your melanocytes react to absolutely everything and you have pigmentation mark because of so and so condition or else the external factors, you can use mandelic acid in a serum base or else as a direct acid and leave it on your skin for 10 minutes and then wash it off. It will improve your skin pigmentation by removing it slowly, and it actually helps because the pigmentation gets reduced, and it has been observed that using 10% of mandelic acid on the daily basis has improved the pigmentation mark. So it's going to be like a really excellent ingredient if you want to incorporate it into your skincare, especially if you have hyperpigmentation marks and you want to reduce it. So don't expect results instantly. It does take time, at least 4 months, to see difference on your skin. The next benefit is the anti-aging benefits. When I say anti-aging benefits, there have been studies which shows that application of mandelic acid has also led to production of collagen. Collagen is a form of protein that helps to hold our skin together. It gives a rigid shape to our skin. The collagen drops. It means that your skin becomes saggy and it's aging. So it also has shown improvement in production of collagen and giving the rigidity to the skin by reducing the fine lines as well as wrinkles. I believe that every sensitive skin type should have mandelic acid into their skincare routine and use it and see how does it react to your skin. So you cannot use it directly onto your skin. You need to make sure that you're doing a patch test. It's a must. Patch test is a must before using any product, whether it be the Ordinary, whether it be the Paula's Choice. You need to do a patch test, and that is how you're gonna see how your skin is reacting, and then you're gonna apply it on your whole face. The next common question that I always get is that, is mandelic acid safe during pregnancy? The answer is yes. Any alpha hydroxy acid is safe during pregnancy, but also if you're breastfeeding, and it's okay to use mandelic acid or alpha hydroxy acid because it doesn't get into your bloodstream. It just sits on the top layer of the skin. So it becomes excellent choice for even pregnant women to use mandelic acid, especially when you're pregnant and your skin is reacting. Then mandelic acid is better than glycolic acid because glycolic acid can be a little bit reacting towards a sensitive skin type. But mandelic acid is just excellent and it can be used during pregnancy. And I would definitely recommend pregnant women, if they want some direct acid or acid-based serums or toners, then you can go for mandelic acid. That is much more gentler as compared to glycolic acid and can show the same result because it's the same category of acid, that is alpha hydroxy acid. Now to the most important part, how to use mandelic acid. Here with me I have the Ordinary mandelic acid. So it is stating in the instructions that you have to use it every day at nighttime, but you can also use it at the daytime. It doesn't say that you cannot use it at the daytime, but you can. Mandelic acid can be used in the daytime as well as at nighttime, but it is recommended that if you are using mandelic acid, you should not go in the direct sun. You should wear a proper sunscreen and then head out if you're using it at the daytime. But at nighttime, if you're using mandelic acid, please make sure that you're not combining mandelic acid with any direct vitamin A, whether it be retinol, whether it be adapalene, whether it be retinoid, let's say the tretinoin. These all are like type of vitamin A, and they are not good to be combined with because mandelic acid itself is increasing the cell turnover, and so does the vitamin A. So both together can react to the skin and lead to more dryness, and in worst case scenario can lead to a reaction and can turn the place red. So it's better not to use mandelic acid with vitamin A. That's not a good choice. But if you want to combine, let's say, two different ingredients, then you can do that. You can use mandelic acid at the daytime and then wear a 50+ sunscreen, and at nighttime you can use vitamin A. That is fine. In my opinion, I think that mandelic acid itself is a solo star ingredient, and if you're using only mandelic acid, you can see that your skin has started to glow, and also it helps with the penetration of different let's say moisturizing ingredients. As I mentioned, and I keep telling in all my videos, that patch test is a must. You need to do a proper patch test before even applying anything directly onto your skin. Make sure that you do a patch test overnight here and let it sit for good 48 hours and see if your skin is reacting. You can even do patch test behind your ear here and leave the product there for a good 48 hours and see if there is any reaction. Now to the last part of the video is that what are the precautions that you need to take if you're using mandelic acid? The first thing that I would suggest is that if you see any irritation caused by mandelic acid, then stop using mandelic acid. The second thing is that if you see that there is a little bit of dryness, then reduce the frequency of using mandelic acid. And if you see that it's extremely dry, then use it only once a week. That is more than enough to get the result. As it's alpha hydroxy acid, it starts to work instantly. So don't worry that you need to use it more often to get the best result. So it's okay to use once a week, and still it will take some time to show result, but it will show the result. The third precaution is that you need to make sure that you read how to to use the product properly. Different formulation offers different direction of using the product, and if you mix it and use it according to yourself, that can cause major problem on your skin. So be cautious and always read how to use the product properly before even applying it on your skin, and see a patch test and always make sure that it is not reacting, and then only apply it on your face. So that is pretty much it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, write down in the comment section below and I will reach out to you with answers. If you like this video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends so that they can also have knowledge about what is mandelic acid and how to use it wisely. Make sure to follow me on my social media accounts. These are my social media accounts. It helps me as an influencer and as a YouTuber to grow. I will see you soon with another video. Take care and bye.